Alright guys, so today is finally the day we are gonna be tuning the RSX. So start off, I need to install the other ECU because you guys gonna be on his way to tune it. Just gonna disconnect this negative and go swap it out. Alright, so now we're in the whip. Just gonna go ahead and remove these cables. Make sure to, if you need to, take a photo. That way you remember which connector goes where, but it's pretty self-explanatory, You can, kind of memorize it. So it's gonna be 3 10mm bolts. There's one right there, another one right there. And it might be a little too dark, but it's gonna be one further back down there, right there. All right, let's get to it. Let's get this thing out. Just to give y'all a little showcase. This is the ECU. Shout out to Willow 24G. I'll make sure to tag them. Y'all need any parts. Homie's always, making some sales, making that money. But back onto the install, guys. All right, well, I've been struggling here, honestly, for a good 10-15 minutes just to get that one out. Now we got 2 more to go. Literally have this thing right here. All that's left is literally just to plug this thing in, get it tuned, and we're good. But always the struggles, man, on these old little connectors. Never been disconnected or anything, but I don't know. All right, so after struggling for a good minute, I figured out a quick tip for you guys. Get yourself the little flathead. Maybe not focusing, but get yourself a flathead, piece of fabric. I had these oil towels. Get a little piece, put it on the tip. That way you don't mess up the metal. You can just get to pry them off. You just gotta go slowly, little by little, on each sides of those little pieces. On each side of that little pin, you're gonna be pushing that. Push up on the other ones with the screwdriver. They should pop right off. All right, well, there we go. Out with the old, in with the new. Just gonna have this one on for a good minute. Probably send this one out, get the Honda in it, get that Bluetooth. Recommendation from a friend, but let's get this thing installed. All right, it's in. Don't talk shit about the zip ties. All right, this is the mechanic's best friend. ECU is a different style, but you know what? This will work for a little bit. So I talked to some people. Maybe I can get a conversion bracket or something going on. But let's get it tuned later. Now we're over here in the process. Gotta be patient. Alright guys, you can hear it. Finally got it on and running. Had a little bit of complications to figure out what kind of ECU I have because I ain't know shit, but the homie got me. Alright everybody, it's been a couple days since I got it tuned. Didn't really record it because we were having some issues, trying to solve everything, but finally got it running. I haven't been driving it right now too much. Took it to maybe like 1 or 2 events over the weekend. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the cold start. See what's up. So it's definitely a lot quieter now that I got it tuned. I'll throw in a quick clip of me cold starting it on the old just stock ECU with the same exhaust setup, everything. I also throw in the clip of the revs too. But not too cold. Probably it didn't sound so loud, but let's get it. Show you guys some interior shots right now. Not even gonna cap, don't hate on me. This car is fucking filthy, but got these expensive seats. All right, everybody want these. Look at it, still spanking brand new. Couple little bit, but bro, brand new. Just need a little wash. Let's get it. Another quick clip before we take off. Warmed up a little bit, dropped under the 1K RPMs. What do you guys think? Comment down below. All my RSX owners, let me know what y'all think of the exhaust. a little pull. Under 3K, fifth, a little bit above 2K RPMs. Hoping it's the exhaust no good. Following me. It's some sketchy shit. We can do another pull right here. For a little bit, and then show y'all guys the two-step. But let me know, comment down below, you know, where you guys RSX owners are, EP3s, you know, or any K series owners, you know. This is a K20A3 2002 Acura RSX 5-speed base. Just had the full bolt-ons, exhaust, and the tune. Notice like the change, you know, in the volume for my voice might be a little bit louder now. It doesn't have as much drone. But yeah, sometimes on the freeway for a straight pipe, this thing can get pretty damn loud. It sits at 3,500 RPMs at 80 miles per hour. Sorry. So it's know, driving around a little bit. Let's get a couple clips of the two-step. So this one, I do have it set up for, I believe, 6100 to max 6300 and negative 60 ignition. I do still have the catalytic converter housing. The catalytic, the inside of it's actually like blown out, so it's technically just a straight piped K20. So, you know, I'll go ahead and rev it up to like 2K, 4K, and then I'll go ahead and hit the two-step. I'll also show the outside clip, so that way you guys can get an idea if you want to, you know, get a Honda for your RSX, your EP3, just any K series that you may have, you know. Get yourself an idea and make a decision on, you know, either how loud or how quiet you would like your exhaust. So right here we're at 2K. 4K. All right, now we're gonna do the two-step. All right, let me get a outside clip for y'all. Alright guys, well that pretty much is the end of the video. Just trying to show you guys, you know, showcase of the exhaust. You know, I really like it. I love the way it sounded before. I was just having issues with, you know, catalytic going out, the P0420 check engine code, and then the P0170 or 171, something like that. But it's just because of the fact that I had the exhaust, you know, so I wanted to get it tuned out. And, you know, shout out to @NickTunes. I'll make sure to add him down on the video. You know, he really helped me out. I did a really ratchet job of, I zip tied it down just because the ECU that I had was actually a different style than the actual, like, you know, bolts that I had in the bottom down there. But, you know, man's best friend, a couple zip ties, fixed it all right up. But, you know, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Any of my K-Series owners, you know, if you guys got any tips, you know, anything you guys want to see, let me know. I'll make sure to post that for you guys. I also am planning on doing like a couple ASMR videos, not like a weird-ass food eating kind of thing, but, you know, just something with exhausts, you know, being able to, you know, do like a nighttime drive, just very peaceful, just straight exhaust sounds for the cars. But stay tuned. You know, really appreciate everybody who's supporting the channel. You know, thank you. Last little clip.